Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special in store for all the baking enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of Springform pans, and I'm excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best Springform pan on the market. Meet the HIWARE 9-inch non-stick cheesecake pan Springform pan with removable bottom. This kitchen essential comes in a sleek black design and has been making waves in the baking community. In this video, we'll walk you through its features, benefits, and why it's an absolute must-have for your kitchen. First things first, let's talk about quality. When it comes to Springform pans, you want something that's durable and built to last. The HIWARE Springform pan is constructed from high-quality steel, which not only ensures longevity but also even heating. No one wants a cake that's unevenly cooked, right? Now, here's a game changer, the stainless steel Springform buckle. This has been upgraded to be stronger and easier to use. You won't have to worry about it falling off or cracking, and that's important when you're dealing with a delicate dessert like cheesecake. But wait, there's more. HIWARE goes the extra mile by including 50 pieces of parchment paper. This is a game changer for traditional bakers. It not only prevents your cake from sticking to the pan but also helps absorb excess oil. Less oil means less fat, which is a win for your health-conscious bakers out there. One of the standout features of this pan is its oven-safe capability. It can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for all your baking adventures. Whether you're making cheesecake, mousse, cookies, or any similar recipe, this pan has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the baking experience. When you use the HIWARE Springform pan, you'll notice how easy it is to remove your baked goods. The non-stick coating ensures that your cake comes out perfectly without sticking to the pan or leaving behind annoying residue. Maintenance is a breeze too. While it's technically dishwasher safe, we recommend hand washing to ensure the longevity of the non-stick coating. Cleaning up after baking has never been this simple. In conclusion, the HIWARE 9-inch non-stick cheesecake pan Springform pan with removable bottom is not just any Springform pan. It's a game changer. It's the perfect tool for baking enthusiasts, whether you're a pro or just getting started. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're interested in upgrading your baking game, check out the HIWARE Springform pan through the link in our description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Happy baking, and see you next time!